Hey, Mark. I have a job interview tomorrow, and I'm really nervous.
Don't worry, Lisa. You'll do great. What kind of job is it?
It's for a marketing assistant position at a big company. I really want this job.
That's an amazing opportunity. Have you prepared your answers?
I've prepared a little, but it's hard to predict what questions they'll ask.
They'll probably ask about your strengths and weaknesses.
Oh, I'm not sure how to answer that.
For strengths, think about what you're good at. Maybe your communication skills or problem-solving abilities.
Yes, I'm good at communicating. I can easily connect with people.
Perfect. For weaknesses, mention something you're working on, like time management or delegation.
Good idea. But won't talking about my weaknesses make me look bad?
No, being honest is important. Plus, showing that you're working to improve makes a good impression.
What else should I prepare for?
Be ready to talk about your previous work experience or internships.
But I don't have much experience, just one internship.
That's okay. Talk about what you learned and the projects you worked on during your internship. That's valuable too.
Should I research the company?
Absolutely. Learn about their mission, products, and recent projects. Also, get some information about their team.
All right, I'll do that tonight. What should I wear for the interview?
Wear something professional. A blazer, a nice shirt, and clean shoes will make a good impression.
Got it. How about my body language?
Sit up straight, make eye contact, and smile. Look confident. Also, try not to move your hands too much.
What if they ask me a question I don't know?
Don't panic. Take a moment to think and be honest. You can say, "I'm not sure, but I'm a quick learner."
That's reassuring. Should I ask them questions too?
Definitely. It shows you're serious about the job. Ask about the company's future goals, how the teams work, or career growth opportunities.
Great advice. What should I do after the interview?
Send a thank you email to show your appreciation for their time. It leaves a positive impression.
I hadn't thought of that. Thanks, Mark.
You're welcome. Also, remember to stay calm during the interview. Take deep breaths and answer questions clearly.
I'll try. How do I know how long my answers should be?
Don't make them too long, but not too short either. Cover the main points of the question and add details if necessary.
Got it. What if I don't get the job?
Don't be discouraged. Every interview is a learning experience. You can ask for feedback to improve.
That's true. Thanks for all this advice, Mark. You've been a big help.
Anytime. Let me know how it goes tomorrow.
I will. I hope everything goes well.
It will. Trust me. Good luck, Lisa.
Thanks, Mark. I really need it.